In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use ASOS Marketplace for independent brands. So let's just get straight into the video. So if you want to simply go ahead and use ASOS Marketplace for independent brand, you must apply to open a boutique. So minimum 15 plus styles, focusing on high quality, natural light photography featuring live models. Successful sellers must also maintain a 90% feedback rating, provide excellent customer service, and manage their own inventory, shipping, and returns. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the process. So, the first step is going to be application and approval. So, submit a business application to become a boutique seller, which is curated to feature emerging independent design talent, and that is done through email. Curate at least 15 distinct styles, such as independent designs, fashion forward pieces, or curated vintage. And images also must be high quality, shot on a person, not flat lay or mannequins, and in a natural light. Once you've done that, sellers are responsible for their own shipping and returns, with items expected to be dispatched within 2 working days. Also, utilize social media to drive traffic to your boutique and align your product launches with seasonal trends. So, that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.